Hey everyone, you might recognize me. It's Calvin from the Make It With Calvin YouTube channel, here over on Danielle's channel, Living the Adventure. There's Danielle. And this video was actually inspired by our old campsite neighbors who've since moved on to do other things. And they had a problem with getting their campfire going. Being I have a lot of experience with getting a campfire going, I offered to help them out. They really appreciate it, so I figured I'd share some of my knowledge with you guys here. Now when it comes to kindling, you have a whole bunch of options. I absolutely love these Coghlan's waterproof fire starting sticks. They also sell these fire discs. These things are awesome. I believe they are like cedar wood and wax. Both of them work really, really good. Now to get things going, I like these Yuko Stormproof Sweetfire starters. They're pretty much a combination of a match and a road flare, and they work incredible. So first things first, we need to put down our kindling, and I like to use 2 of the sticks. So we'll move the camera so you can see what I'm doing. And in this case, because the bottom of this is a little bit damp from when we put out the fire earlier in the day, I'm just going to put down some wood so we have, you know, a little bit of a base. So we're gonna do that. I like to stack it like that so it gets really good airflow. That's the secret. So the next step is we're gonna take our slightly larger wood, and I'm just gonna kind of build it up in a T shape around this. And don't worry, this stuff will get going pretty good and well. Yeah, we'll throw that on top. Kudos to some other campsite neighbors for the wood. Dang it. So here are your starters. There's your match tip, there's your burning part, and there's your base. So let me get this going. And just carefully, oops. Yeah, that looks like it got going. All right, so there is how you get a campfire started. So I'm gonna keep the GoPro rolling for a minute, hopefully without lighting it on fire, to kind of show you how things go. All right, so as you can see, the wood is already starting to take light. Those starting sticks at the bottom are doing their job perfectly. And I hope this helps with how to create a campfire. The big keys are airflow, kindling, and stacking. So, hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions or want to check out any stuff that I've used, I'll have links to it down below.